Hey guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to get a difference between two dates, and everything we'll do from scratch. We'll not skip any steps, right? So suppose we have two dates and we want to get a difference between them, so we can do easily in PHP. So let's write a code and understand to get a difference between two dates. So I'm using NetBean. I'll create a new project of PHP application. Next, and here we need to type our application name, so PHP app, and finish it. So it will create a index.php file. So let's remove a comment. Let's remove all the unnecessary codes, and here we will write a code of PHP to get a difference, right? So suppose we have a date, start date. This is a date 1 um, 2019, 5 month, and 20, and semicolon. And another date is in date, and this date is 20, today's date, maybe 20, yeah, 03, and today is the 24. So now we have two dates. We will get a difference, how many years difference, like this: 2 years of difference, 3 months, and 10 days, like this. So for that, let's make a one variable, difference date, and get absolute value, abs, and inside we will call the function str2time this function. And then this function will take one parameter, which is in date, which is this date. Let's copy and paste it here. Minus means we are getting a difference, and second is str2 time start date. Let's copy and paste, and last is semicolon. Then we will get a difference of year, how many years of difference. So dollar year difference, years difference, then call this function floor, and this function take one parameter. First is difference date, which is this one, and we can divide this date by, like this, 365 1 year into 60 means 60 minute, 60 second, and 24 hours of something. So when we print r, so difference of year use a concatenation operator, dot, and year difference. Let's copy and paste it here. Last is semicolon. So now we have to run our application and see what is the difference between this date and this date in year. Okay, so let's localhost and our PHP application. So PHP app. So you can see 1 years of difference between these two dates, right? So we will get a difference of month, how many months of difference. So let's create a variable month difference, and again call function floor, then call In between one more bracket we need, and call difference date, which is this one. Copy and paste. Minus year difference, which is this. Copy and paste into 365. 365 into 60 into 60 into 24 divided by 30 into 60 into 60 into 24. Like this up. And let's echo this one. Print R. This is a month, colon, use a concatenation operator, and copy and paste it here. So let's run. So you can see month is going something wrong, so let me check. Month difference is floor, right? And difference date minus difference year difference into 365 into 60 into 24. Yeah, just I forgot to add a bracket here. Control S for save and refresh. So you can see 1 years of difference, 1 year 10 month. Now we will get a difference of days. How many days difference between these two dates, right? The same process we will use. Difference date, let's make a variable dollar days difference diff equals to floor, and inside this function we will call difference date like this up. Difference date, which is this one, copy and paste. Then minus year difference, which is this one, copy and paste, into star means into 365. Let's copy and paste it here, minus month difference, which is this one, into 30 into 60, which is this one. Let's copy and paste, copy and paste, divided by 60 in a bracket, 60 into 60 into 24. Then we will print difference date, print R, then days concatenation operator, and copy this variable and paste it here, and semicolon. Control S for save, and let's refresh our browser. So you can see, but we need one space, some space here. Yeah, 1 years of difference, 1 year 10 month and 9 days difference between these two dates. So this way we can get a difference between two dates, right? So pretty much we have it done. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this if you have any questions and doubt. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.